everyone, my name is Jade and today I'm going to discuss what you should bring to a photo shoot. So, first things first, safety is very important. If you're not sure of where you're going and if the photographer that you're going to shoot with the day of, make sure to please bring company with you. You want to make sure that you're safe. And if your outfits will not be provided, make sure to bring clothes ready on hangers. Or if there will be a steamer on set, then you can also pack the clothes in a bag or in a luggage. But please bring plenty of options, as you never know which the photographer will choose because you don't know what will be great for the shoot, the contrast of the background or the setting, but just bring plenty of options for just in case. And then everyone should bring their makeup and hair products for touch-ups during the shoot. So I have, Norte Jimmy Diaz lipstick, just bring a ton of options, different lipsticks, also hairspray, you're gonna need that, and your makeup brushes because you'll need to touch up like I said. So also note for the ladies, don't forget to bring your nude and black undergarments because you don't want to be see-through and during the shoot. Also a strapless option would be a very good choice. So if you liked this video, please remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, but also don't forget to leave a comment. If you've ever been to a photo shoot, please tell us what you like to bring to photo shoots.